If you want to completely delete AnyDesk from your laptop, not just uninstall it, this video will walk you through every step in a simple and safe way. We'll remove the main program, clear leftover files, and then restart your computer so everything is fully cleaned up. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, click the Windows search bar on your laptop. Type Control Panel into the search box, then open Control Panel from the search results. This is where you can manage installed programs on your computer. Once Control Panel opens, click on Programs. After that, select Uninstall a program. Windows will now load a full list of the applications installed on your device, so give it a moment to appear. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. When you see it, click on it once to highlight it. After that, click Uninstall at the top of the window. If any confirmation message appears, go ahead and approve it so the removal can continue. Then wait for the uninstall process to finish completely. At this point, AnyDesk should be removed from the main program list, but we're not done yet. Sometimes apps leave behind leftover files that take up space, so the next step is to remove those manually. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field that appears, type %appdata%, then press Enter. This will open your AppData roaming folder. Look carefully for a folder named AnyDesk. If you find it, right-click the folder and select Delete. Now let's check for another leftover folder. Press Windows+R again to open Run one more time. This time, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. A new folder location will open. Look for the AnyDesk folder here as well. If it's present, right-click it and delete it too. These two cleanup steps are important because they help remove extra settings and cached files that may remain after a normal uninstall. Taking a few extra seconds here can help fully clear AnyDesk from your system. Once that's done, save any open files or work you have on your laptop, then restart your computer. A restart helps Windows finish the cleanup process and make sure everything is refreshed properly. And that's it! You've now deleted AnyDesk from your laptop and removed the leftover folders as well. If this tutorial saved you time, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.